Support the music. Now on to the Intense 5. Just when we thought Riri couldn't get any cuter, she turns up sporting a low-cut hairstyle, promoting the Fenty hair brand. This girl is creating her legacy. Go Riri! Sean Kingston is out on a $100,000 bail and he's back to performing for his fans. He gave an inspiring performance in Alabama and says he's going to use the situation to fuel his fire. Minister Marion Hall, what is going on? The former dancehall legend turned minister posted a very interesting message on her Facebook page, which has us all asking, is she returning to dancehall? Well, a few days after that, she posted that we need to listen to her new dancehall single, The Way How Me Love You. So, is Lady Saw back? I don't know. I'm confused. A few minutes after JFF released the names for the Reggae Boys Copa America squad, starballer Leon Bailey says he ain't a part of it at all. Now followed by a post from his father who said Bailey is taking a break from the Reggae Boys, but no sir, what a mix-up. Good luck though boys and make us proud. And finally holding the spot this week, days of hearing arguments, medical reports stating that Cartel's heart is functioning at 50%, and letters from the accused. Will there be a retrial or will the case be thrown out? Well, the judge says there won't be a retrial if the witnesses can't be found. What a pressure. Oh my God. All right, let's wait and see. Well, that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for lots more in entertainment. Up next, Richie Rich talks to Kingpin. He says he's the next big thing. We move forward.